This is one of my other Graviflyers. Right there is old school, the one I usually use and test on. It's down right now, 2 blown motors. Here's my other one. I'm not yet to release my new one. But I just wanted to check this. I wanted to see if the motor speed was okay and just show some people some things real quick. So let's go ahead and we'll turn this on. And the wrong motor controller for this. We barely turn on, those motors are fast. We're at 3.26 volts and this thing is cranking. You can see right now it has 0 problems wobbling. Pretty nice actually. I hold it down because it'll screw up my table. Yeah, both of these are steel. They come off of a bicycle. They're the brakes that are on there. And that's at slow speed, guys. I wish it had less. To be honest with you, this is probably triple the speed that I want. Way too fast. But it hums along pretty good. All the connections on this thing are perfect. I love it. This one is running. Magnets on there and everything, real small magnets. You know, all you want to do is put eddy current into the center disc, so really not something you have to go crazy on here. It always tries to turn a little bit because the magnets themselves have weight. There's weight on the top, so it doesn't turn that way. You could put motors on separate controllers and change that though, just based on the RPM if you get the top high enough. Here's the bad part of the motor, and turn it off. Yeah, immediately turns the wrong way. For God's sake. Anyway, let's take a look at this. Spin nice and freely. Really good in there. On the plastic, I put inserts on them. So you can see that works really well. I think some of this stuff in a different version would be good. Let's see, you can see the little tiny magnets in there I used on this one. These are little tiny fridge magnets. Again, they're only going one direction, they're hitting this. You just need eddy current in there. You don't need it to wobble the plate or anything else, just eddy current. I like the precision on this. I might just get some aluminum discs that are like this instead of the floppy ones. And I think we're going to be good with that. But anyway, I just thought I'd show that. I know some people wonder what I do with my other Graviflyers, and this is one of them. And this one, high voltage, when it connects in, it never touches these. It just goes in the air, and you're trying to make it go in the air. So it's like a fan, is what it basically works like. So anyway, that's kind of cool. I just wanted to show that. Have a good day, guys.